Hey everyone, if you're experiencing the no service issues or constantly searching for a network on your iPhone, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this problem. Here are three methods to fix this issue. So let's get started. So the first way is go to the settings, tap on the general icon available there, then simply go to the software update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Now, the second way is force restart. Force restarting your iPhone can help resolve various issues such as unresponsive apps, frozen screen, or other software glitches as well. So, in order to do that, press and quickly release the volume up button located on the left side of your iPhone. Immediately after releasing the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button located below the volume up button. Press and hold the side button, also known as the sleep wake button, located on the right side of your iPhone. Continue holding the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your phone will then restart. Now, for the third way, simply go to your settings and scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Then inside general, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. This will reset all your network settings on your iPhone. But note that this won't delete any data, but you will need to reconfigure your settings afterward. By following these methods, you can troubleshoot and resolve the no service or searching network issues on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.